Hi guys, today we're going to be making these Jack Skellington earrings. Be sure to like and subscribe for future videos. So all we need today is a ball of white clay. Now my white clay never stays white, but that's because I'm not wearing gloves. So I'm just going to paint over this after anyway, but I'm going to show you the easiest little bobble to do. So you take your blade, shimmy that in, go back and forth a little bit so you have your smile. And then take that blade and make those indents on the top and then go on the bottom. And then I'm going to take the tiniest dotting tool I have, push in, pull up a little bit, push in, pull up a little bit. And then I'm going to take the larger dotting tool, push in, shimmy around, try not to squish my circle while I'm doing it. And then do the same on the other side. If it cracks, you can just smooth it down. So yeah, once you're done with that, bake that. I'm gonna come back and paint those, and then I'm thinking earrings. Now I did a few at a time, and once those are baked and completely cool, then we can start painting. So I just have black acrylic paint. I'm gonna take those same dotting tools, dip that into the paint, and then the same way that I made those indents, that's how I'm gonna paint it. And I'm gonna take my small one that was in its nose. So for the teeth, I think I'm gonna try blade, the same blade that we used to make it, but I am nervous. So if I ruin it, I'm just gonna have to paint over it. So here we go. Okay, so that kind of worked. So just do that again for the top and then each one of them. So now that that's done, you just put an eye screw in the center top. We're gonna take our jump ring and our earring back, put those together, and then we're all done. Here they are, our finished Jack Skellington earrings.
Leave a comment below telling me your favorite Nightmare Before Christmas character. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and check out my shop, etsy.com/shop/DeborahDarlingface. Bye!